Welcome to the Mighty Moment. News, views, and nature. I'm Angela DeMarco, David S. Hogan behind the camera. We're Mighty Tripod Productions and Mighty Tripod Acting Studio. So what are we doing here? Surrounded by the trees, fresh air, the sun. Sometimes you gotta put that phone down. You gotta shut that laptop. You gotta unplug and get out. This hustle and grind, it's real deal. Getting the downs from all the rejection, the in-betweens of auditions. You gotta keep moving. So I like to get out into nature and just be. Just get outside, breathe, spend time with my dog, spend time with my loved one. Hi there, David, behind the camera. But more importantly, just take a moment to just get out of here. And that's what's going to get you started for a new day. That's what's going to do like a nice refresh button. If we do it on our computer, why can't we do it on us? So find what it is that helps you refresh, restart, and start anew. Get rid of the crud and move forward into the beauty. Be mighty.